Sharperlight gives you the ability to drill on any cell, on any report with Business Central. In this video I give you 5 examples of drill downs using Sharperlight. Ad hoc drill downs, save drill paths, drill to a new Excel sheet, and drilling to a web report. This is an ad hoc drill down. Click the drill down option via the Excel add-in and select customer and amount to view the total for all sales for that period. You can drill on the drill to view all transactions for that customer as selected for that period. Adding the drill to option will allow you to drill back into BC to review the invoice within Business Central. This drill can be repeated for any other cell on the current report. Selecting a new cell, click drill down and select from the save drill to view all customer sales for that selected period. This allows you to use the drill time and time again, saving time. Once again, you can drill back into BC for further analysis. In the next example, we drill to a new Excel sheet. This is the same drill, however Sharperlight creates a new sheet and query. This allows you to modify, change parameters, consolidate companies, or send to another staff member for further review or changes. In the final example, you can drill to a web query, which is the drill published in a web browser using Sharperlight. This enables the same flexibility to change filters on the fly, drill to Business Central, or even edit the query live in the web to customize as needed. With web queries, you can build landing pages to access your data live from any location without the need to schedule bulk emails. This is great for financial, sales, operational, and all data to be presented securely with user permissions. Inquire today to find out why Sharperlight is the best value self-service reporting and development toolset on